ground floor plan and first floor plan. First floor plan, 4 bedroom. And ground floor plan, kitchen, dining, hall, lobby area, family living. G+1, all bedroom attached bathroom. All bedroom, we have attached bathroom, and ground floor only for dining and kitchen and hall, living, lobby. So we will see one by one. This size 1780 and this size 1490 centimeter. So we will enter from here. This is our entrance and this is our wall. This is our glass. This glass window, and this is our ventilation. This is our window. This is our window. This is our window. And this area window. This wall, continuous wall. So this is big hall, 1995 centimeter by 1440 centimeter, and this side 620. This is our kitchen division. This is our wall. This is our arch area, and this side our kitchen. This side our kitchen. This is our wall, and this side wall. Front side same. This side and this side. So wherever window coming and door coming, we will keep. This is door. This is window. This is window. Ventilation, and this window frame, this side window frame, and here window. So this kitchen 710 by 465 centimeter. This is our open arch, and this is our bathroom. This is our wash area, bathroom 200 by 180, and this dining 720 by 510 centimeter, and this common area 130 by 180. So this stair for first floor, and this stair for service purpose, for outside to roof floor continuous. Back side also entrance we have given, and this is our another bathroom. (240 by 140). So this is our ground floor. We will come to our first floor. This is our first floor. First floor bedroom 1, 620 by 450. This 620 by 450. Second one, third one 410 by 6 meter. fourth one 817 by 720. So all we have this entrance, door, this is our arch, and this is our arch, this is our arch, this attached bathroom, this dress area 170, bathroom 300 by 250, 300 by 250 for this bathroom, and for this bathroom. This is our wide lobby 486 by 450, and this stair going continue to roof floor. And here this master bedroom, very big bedroom, this balcony we have here, and this window, this full wall. So this is our arch, this will come door, dress area 210 by 360, and this hot tub 310 by 210. And this is our one small door here and one small door here for water closet, for hot tub 360 by 160 approximate water closet. And this window, here window, here window, this ventilation window, this ventilation window, this two frame window, this window, here window, everywhere we are given for ventilation window also. This window design for continuous frame, and this bedroom 6 meter by 410, and this arch, open arch, this 3 meter by 2 meter bathroom and dress room. So this 4 bedroom plan. Ground plus 4, ground floor, kitchen, dining, big hall, wide family living, and this is design our elevation purpose. This wonderful design for column pillar, for arch. You can see here also first floor coming. This will cover like this. I hope you got this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.